his tail out.
This is right outside my office window in Central Florida on January 20-something, 2nd, 3rd. We have film on the windows, so I don't think he can see in. The timer for my washing machine is what's going off out there. You can hear it. I think it's immature. I hope he gets a squirrel. Yeah, good birdie. Good birdie. Beautiful tail feathers. Look at that from the inside.
He may be seeing his reflection in the window and
Ah.
trying to scare it off.